So today's episode's a little bit of a tougher one, because we're having to say goodbye to our favourite passenger. No, crap, I didn't think I'd cry this quick. So we thought we'd take her out for one last day. Take her out to her favourite spot, Dermody's Campground. We always used to take her out here with her best mate, Dizzy. But he passed away a few years ago. That's why we got Vicky. But got a few more years out of her, which was quite nice, because she was feeling a bit down for a while there. Yeah, we thought we'd do a little a little Trinity tribute, I guess. Right, so after that little emotional stint, I think what I want to do is get a few people to tell some of their favourite stories about Trinity and our old dog Dizzy, and maybe even a little bit of Vicky. We'll see. But I guess I'll start us off. I think my favourite memory of Trinity was when, probably just after we first got her, we took her out to around this area, and we went down this track, down a river, a little bit of a walking track down there. So we hop out of the car, walk down there, and at the last bit, right before the bank of the river where all the rocks are, there's a bit of a ledge, probably about, yay high, but when I was little it looked huge. So probably about yay high. And I remember I remember hopping down and being on the river, and Trinity was quite young and fit at that stage, and I turn around and she's running at me full tilt, comes bolting around the corner, doesn't see the ledge, she flies off it at 100 k's an hour, she face plants onto the rocks, slides across the rocks, and without a blink of an eye she stands back up and keeps running at me as fast as she can. And I don't know why, but that memory just stuck with me. It was so, I guess, impressive that she couldn't have cared less about, I don't know, hurting herself or anything like that. She just wanted to get out there and go down and have a look at the river and that sort of thing.
She's got to get her part of the barbecue.
There you go. Oh, look at ya. Oh.
There you go, your fingers.
Drop it. There you go. Hey. Yummy.
So I'm going to share
Eliza's favourite story. So her favourite story of Trinity is she was in the front yard one day when Caius was about 2 years of age, and Trinity was out in the front yard as well, and they were playing, the gates were closed. Eliza needed to go back inside for something very quickly, and she came back out, and sure enough the gates open. No 2-year-old, no dog.
Hey Kayden, just let me know if you want me to snap off any branches for you along the way.
So very stressfully takes off down the road. Luckily we're in a court, so there's really only one direction they can go. So she takes off, gets down to the corner shop, which is probably 100 metres away. Nothing, gets around the corner a little bit further, and there's an older gentleman down there. And sure enough, the two little adventurers had decided to take off, and they were going for a walk somewhere. And this gentleman had decided that, you know, he was probably going to stop them for the best interests of both, because they were just about to cross the road, and who knows where they were going, but they were off on a journey together. Yeah, Eliza remembers that sort of Trinity's loyalty and looking after the boy when she wasn't about. So yeah, good memory.
Trinity's just gone and had herself a little swim. I reckon it might have been nice on her old joints. Poor old thing. Good on you, girl. Hey, poor old thing.
It's nice, the kids used to build dams and things in that shallow bit when they were little. Such a good little spot.
Have to say, from my memories, Trinity's loyalty is one of the big things that really stands out. We'd go for a walk and she wouldn't be any more than a metre away from Eliza. You could take a lead off. It wouldn't matter if Eliza stopped, she stopped. If we walked faster, she would still stay with Eliza. No matter what, there's obviously an abundance of boys in our house. So for Eliza to have her girl in the house was kind of nice. Yeah, that's it.
So we're about to go and do one more river crossing with the old girl. Just up the river at the Wombat's campgrounds. And then I reckon we'll be done for the day. Look at her go. She's still got lots of life, but yeah. Says she's just had her time.
Doesn't want to get yep.
Just helping her up the rock steps, the old girl. Hello, old girl. Good girl. Look at her, she's even sprinting a little.
That is not a sprint.
Okay, she was. Cut her some slack.
Oh,
I mean, she's doing well for her age. She's 17 and a half years old.
and she outlived the Queen.
Oh, yeah. She, we also like to mention that Trinity outlived the Queen. I don't know if I can leave that in, but yeah, she did. Yeah. Isn't that right, old girl? Queen ain't got nothing on you.
Yeah. Defeated the royals.
deck. Yes, look at all that open space. It's really awesome. Bump. Hello, Trinity. Did you enjoy crossing the river? I think she did. Didn't you?
I think she did. I just did some recording and she's in there.
Hey?
Sitting there.
You enjoyed the little river crossing? Yeah.
She did. She was sitting up actually and she
Look at
needed
that.
to sit down. We were like, you need to sit down. I'm going to fall down.
Good girl.
It's been a week since we've laid Trinity to rest and since the first part of the video. And today we've come out to Dermody's camp again to scatter ashes at a couple of the places that she really enjoyed when we were out here. So up here at the campsite and also down at the waterside. Most of the family are here again. Our eldest boy couldn't be here though. He's had to go back down to Melbourne, but obviously you'll get to see what we're up to and it'll be recorded for perpetuity.
So I just want to do a little shout out to the Avon River Pet Crematorium. We took Trinity there to get cremated, and I just wanted to show how much love and care they put into our old girl. They engraved everything for us, and we got her paw print stamped, and everything had been engraved with her name on it, and there was just a lot of care and time and effort put into what they'd done. So I just wanted to give a shout out to them. I'll link the Facebook page in the description. Just give Sharon a message if you ever need someone really loving and caring to take care of your pet. So we're going to just scatter the ashes now. We're going to scatter some just up around this area because she loved this bit up here, and I reckon we'll go down to the river, scatter a little bit around there because she loves going down there and hanging out.
Time to give her some treats.
Here you go. Oh, you dropped it. Here it is.
We're going, fuck, that's cold.
You like it?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, you did.
Don't give her a fucking ice cream headache though.
I'm trying not to. That's why I'm giving it a little bit at a time. Hey?
Yes, Mum.
Hello. Oh, there you go. Now she's just licking it.
That's the way to go.
Hey, I still got some. Slow down for a second, girl. She's loving it. Oh, yeah.
She's going to try and bite it, slow down. You're going to end up with a big old headache there, girl.
There you go. Slow down a little bit.
Make sure she doesn't get a brain freeze.
Biggie, Lee. Big. Good boy. Big. Oh, she's really loving it.
Give him some. he just photo bombed. Came up and jumped straight in front of the camera.
No, Biggie. No.
Give him some of my burger if you want, mate. God, she's hooking in.
Chowing down. Loving it.
Just wait until she starts crunching on the gun.
Oh, you probably shouldn't have that. No.
No, I don't think it'll hurt him.
Okay. You go, Big. Biggie. Oh, it's all over his face.
I saw that. It flicked onto his head.
Hey.
No.
Do you want some more?
Wonder if she realises she can bite it. Probably
I don't
not.
think she does yet, no. She's chowing down, Mum. You go. There you go. You can eat it. Yeah, eat it.
Probably doesn't like that bit.
Oh,
There we go.
Biggie.
It's all right, Poppy.
He's like, where's mine? Where's mine?
Hey, oh, give her dessert first. Hold on.
Oh.
Now we gotta give her the burger. Is this? Yep.
Did you get hamburger or cheeseburger?
Maybe split it in half.
You happy with that girl?
Oh yeah.
Was it good?
Oh,
Was it good girl?
Yes.
Was it happy?
Vicky.
It's tomato sauce.
It should be fine.
Tomato. Look.
As long as it's not garlic and berries and things, you'll be fine.
Hello. You ready?
Biggie.
Okay. Turn a little, darling. Turn a little. There you go. Eat half the burger. Hey. Wash my hands.
Yeah.
I think she's pretty happy with that, mate. That was not a bad,
Yeah.
not a bad meal.
Oh, sorry. Do it all of you. Hey, hello. That was it. No more. No more. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, good girl. Good girl. Right.
All right, puppies.
Oh, sorry, girl.